Okay, first I'm going to write down a question. The question is 10 gram of calcium carbonate heated to give carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. Calculate the amount of both forms. So you have revised a stoichiometric, like, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Will you be able to do it? Mm. Yes, Rishita, any answer for this? Rishita, am I audible?
One second.
Siddhika, will you be able to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
5.6 grams.
Carbon dioxide 6 gram. What about calcium oxide?
No, sir. Mass of calcium oxide is 6 gram.
Okay, and CO2.
One sec. Four gram.
What it is?
Four gram.
Okay, I'll just check it. First of all, what you need to do is write the reaction calcium carbonate and then heat it. Then you will be getting calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Now you can see the equation is balanced. That means 1 mole of this CaCO3, if you are going to do, you will get 1 mole of calcium oxide and 1 mole of CO2. So first of all, what we need to do, just see how many gram of CaCO3 given. Now see, whenever the given it will be mass, number, or volume. You need to convert that mass, number, volume into number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is what? Given mass is 10 gram and molar mass is 100 gram. That will be equal to 0.1 mole. So whenever whatever is given of the reactant, you have to convert that into product, into number of moles. So mass was given, so I just calculated the number of moles of calcium carbonate.
Sir,
Now you can
you're
see
very glitchy.
Your voice is
1 mole of CaCO3 will give am I audible clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I was saying is that whatever is given, either mass, either volume, either number, you need to convert that into number of moles and then compare. This is the balanced chemical equation in which you can see 1 mole of this will give 1 mole of CaO and 1 mole of CO2. So after calculating the number of moles of CaCO3, you can see 0.1 mole of CaCO3 will give 0.1 mole of calcium oxide and 0.1 mole of CO2. Now you are going to apply the formula. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles is equal to 0.1 and given mass is n, and molar mass of CaO. Calcium has molar mass 40 plus oxygen has molar mass 16. So it will be 56. So mass of CaO, you can see 56 into 0.1, that will give you 5.6 gram. In the same way, you can apply for this. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles here is 0.1, and then you can see given mass is n and molar mass is 44. If you are going to calculate the molar mass of CO2, it is 44. So m will be equal to 4.4 gram. So this is the amount of carbon dioxide and calcium oxide that will form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please do write it and let me know, Rishita, where you have mistaken.
Sir, I got the approximate value of each.
Okay.
It's 5.6, 6 and 4.4 is 4.
Okay. Got it.
So can we do it like that, or do we have to write the actual values?
Yes, yes. For this, the calculation is very easy. So you have to write the actual value.
Sir, can I see the question?
What did you say, Siddhika?
Could you scroll up to the question?
Yes, yes, I will.
Thank you, sir.
Kid, is this your first class? Kid, is this your first class? Okay, so basically we are practicing question on stoichiometry. I think you are aware of this and have completed this topic in Learnivio regular class. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this question and let me know. Martin, are you there? Let me know when you are done with this. Siddhika and Rishita.
So can you scroll down?
Siddhika, are you done with the above one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishita, are you done with this?
Done, sir.
Okay. Rishita, what about you?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, please do solve this question. Very easy question. All of you. Akib and Martin, please do solve this question. Very good, Siddhika. Any answer? Rishika, Akib, and Martin. Akib, will you be able to solve this?
So can you tell us how to do it?
Okay. You know what? First, you need to write a reaction. You can see H2 gas is mixed with 11.2 liter of Cl2. So before that, you need to write a reaction. H2 in gas is stored. That react to Cl2 in gas is stored. And it will give you HCl. And to balance it, you have to multiply it by 2. Is that clear? Now, it has been given that 22.4 liter and this is your 11.2 liters. Now, what I told you, whenever mass or anything is given, then very good, Akib. Then you need to convert that in number of moles. So given volume upon 22.4 liters. So the number of moles of H2 is your 1 mole. And also, if you are going to see this can be given volume upon 22.4 liters, the number of moles is equal to half or number of moles of Cl2 is your 0.5 mole. Always remember that when more than one reactant is given, when more than one reactant is given, when more than one reactant is given and their value, when more than one reactant's value is given, then what do you need to do? Check for limiting reagent. Check for limiting reagent. So how you are going to check the limiting reagent? It's very simple. What you need to do is take the ratio of whatever is the number mole that is given in the question upon whatever is the number of moles according to the equation. So this is 1 by 1 and for this it is 0.5 upon what is it? 1. So the one with a smaller, the one which is smaller is your limiting reagent. Is that clear? This ratio, the one which is smaller is the limiting reagent. Is that clear, Rishita?
Yes, sir.
And the reaction proceed according to the limiting reagent. So you are going to see the balanced chemical equation. 1 mole is given 2 mole. According to the balanced chemical equation, 1 mole is given 2 mole. So 0.5 mole will give 1 mole of HCl. 0.5 mole will give 1 mole of HCl. Again, I'm going to repeat it. When more than one reactant's value is given, first, whatever is given, you are going to convert this into number of moles. Then you have to check for limiting reagent. A limiting reagent, how you are going to check? Check the ratio. The given number of moles divided by the number of moles in balanced chemical equation. The smaller one will be the limiting reagent. And the product formed will be according to the limiting reagent, not with the one which is in excess. So 1 mole will give 2 mole. So here 0.5 mole will give 1 mole of HCl. Is that clear?
Sir, could you show the next question?
Please do write it. Yes. Everyone is done with this. Rishita and all. Rishita, can I
Yes,
change
sir.
this slide? Okay. Please do this. Very easy question. Everyone is done with this. Very good, Rishita. Not so bitter. 10-gram molecule is the wrong answer. See, it's very easy. First of all, you have to understand gram molecule means. Gram molecule is basically indirectly it is asking for number of moles. You need to calculate number of moles. Very good at it. So number of moles is equal to, you can see molecule is given. So given number of particles upon Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23. Now you can see this is very easy. What you need to do, this will be cancelled and you will get 10-gram molecule. Okay. But we need to do it for oxygen only. So only oxygen. So there is two atoms CO and we need to do it for only oxygen. Only oxygen. So it will be 10 by 2. That is equal to 5-gram molecules. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Is there any other doubt? Two atoms is there, so for one atom I divided it and got this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very easy it is. You didn't get it, Akib, the question. No, no, okay, thank you. The number of oxygen atoms. Use this. A Siddhika. Any from Rishita, Akib, and Martin. Martin, you are not responding at all. Very good, Siddhika. Very good, Rishita. Akiba, what about Akib? What about you? Just let me know if you are unable to solve this. I will explain it. Okay, just solve it and then let me know. The rest of the student is going to do this question. Very good, Akib. Go for the next question. It's the wrong answer. I think oxygen is the wrong answer, Rishita. Everyone is done with this. Just we have the option correct. Very good, Siddhika. Any answer, Rishita? See, it's very easy. First of all, you need to calculate number of moles, which will be given by given mass upon molar mass. Then you are going to calculate number of molecules. Number of molecules. It will be given by number of moles into N. Then for number of atoms, number of atoms is equal to number of molecule, that is basically whatever is number of moles into N into number of atoms. Number of atoms, like the number that is present in the molecule. So you can see here the number of moles will be 1 upon 24. You can see the here the number of moles will be 1 by 32, and here the number of moles will be 1 by 7, and here it is 108. So the biggest number of moles is this. That's why the answer is this. Isn't it easy, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Go for the search. Triatomic gas, this means a gas in which three atoms are present. A gas molecule in which three atoms are present. Very good, Akib. Any answers, Siddhika?
1 second, sir.
Okay, Rishita.
22, sir, not 23. I wrote 23 by mistake.
So the answer is D.
Yes, sir.
No, I think it's wrong answer. It is B, the answer that you have sent. Can you check your calculation, please? Just wait. Siddhika, are you there? The answer you can see number of number of atoms is we need to calculate the number of atoms in triatomic gas in which 0.1 number of mole is 0. Calculate the number of molecules. Number of molecules will be equal to 0.1 into 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23. And for number of atoms, you know that number of atoms it will be equal to whatever is the number of atoms. You can see triatomic it is, that is 3 into number of molecules. So if you are going to solve this, you will be getting this B option. Am I lagging?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Am I still lagging?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So what I was saying is that number of mole is this, number of molecule is this, and number of atoms. As we know that this is your triatomic. That's why I multiplied it by 3 in number of molecules. I think it's clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Very easy question. Any answer?
1 second, sir.
Okay. No problem, Arpit. I'll explain. Very good, Rishita. Okay, can you convert this volume into gram? Very good. Okay, focus here. Very easy question. Let me know if my voice lags. Okay. So you know that. Just wait a minute. Everyone is able to see the screen. You know
Yes,
that density of water is 1 gram per ml. Density of water is 1 gram per ml. So if you are going to apply density is equal to mass upon volume, so mass will be density
Sir,
into
you're glitching.
volume. So density is
So your voice is low.
per ml that is given. Now you can see ml and ml will be cancelled and it will be 18 gram. This will be 18 gram. Is my voice lagging?
It was in the
Yes, sir.
beginning.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. So everyone knows that Akib, density of water is 1 gram per ml. So we can apply the formula and get mass of water. And if you get the mass of water, you can easily calculate the number of moles. Given mass is 18 gram and water has molar mass 18, so it will be 1 mole. Now, again, if you are going to apply here number of moles, you can see 0.18 gram is the given mass upon molar mass. So the number of moles is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3. This is 10 raised to the power minus 3. And if you are going to apply the formula given volume upon 22.4 liter, so it will be 10 raised to the power minus 4 mole. So in case the number of molecules of water with the highest number of moles, that is the 1 mole. So A will be our answer. Is that clear, everyone? Akib? So today, due to this network issue and my laptop is getting discharged, so it's almost dead. In the next class, I will take more 1 hour 15 minutes. I will take the class for 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So please do revise the first chapter in a way, some basic concepts of chemistry